Good morning. It is 7:30. I'm up again. I think once my body does something once, it wants to do it again. So, I am heading into work because it's such a busy day yesterday that there is a ton of prep that needs to be done. And so if I go in early and no one's there to bug me, I can get it done in like an hour. So, especially because he only wants me to do one batch. So, that is what I'm doing. I am heading into work to cut vegetables. Yay! So, I hope you enjoyed my video yesterday. I wasn't in the greatest mood, so I hope that didn't come across really. Today I'm in a better mood. Today we have the trailer going out, so in a couple of hours I will leave for that. And today is, I don't even know what they call them, trailer days, or truck days, or downtown, food truck day, I don't know. Anyways, it's some sort of event that the Downtown Business Association of Regina has created for us specifically, so that more food trucks can come out and not have to pay for their city license. My only issue is that I have paid for my city license so that I could be other places and also be downtown on the days that this food thing is going on. But I can't go to all of them, they said. So it's a little bit frustrating, especially because they've picked Thursdays and Fridays, which are our busiest days, usually. So they're kind of taking away business from us. So it's a little bit frustrating. But we're going today. Apparently there's room tomorrow for us, but I didn't find that out until yesterday, so I couldn't schedule anyone because I can't schedule anyone with just 2 days notice. I do my schedule a week in advance for my staff so that they can plan their week. So, excuse me, anyways, I don't mean to rant about work, but that is what we deal with. So I am just about there. I am gonna go. I am gonna try and, okay. I'm going to try and have a better day than yesterday. I'm not as stressed out today. I'm a little bit stressed out just because we don't find out anything from our meeting until tomorrow. But it will be whatever it will be. So hopefully things work out and things are good. Park here for now, I guess. So like I said, the trailer will go out today and it will be a good day. It's beautiful out. There's like little teeny tiny wisps of cloud. That's it. So it should be a beautiful day in the trailer and hopefully busy. And hopefully not stressful because of all the other trucks. I find, I find that we get more people when there's more trucks, but because they have more selection, we kind of still do the same amount. Like, we still have our regular customers and all of that come to the trailer specifically for us, but sometimes they might want something else. And I don't know who else is going to be out there. So, anyways. Yeah. So it should be a good day. Let's make it a good day. And I will see you guys when I eat my lunch. Hey guys, it's lunchtime, and we were talking about nachos the other day with somebody, I don't remember, but I'm like, I really love nachos. So I thought I would have some pork rind nachos. So what I did was I took a quarter cup of shredded cheese, or I shredded a quarter cup of cheese, and then there is about 2.5, 3 tablespoons of salsa on there, and then I threw the cheese on top. And yeah, so I'm going to throw this in the microwave for probably about 30 seconds just to melt the cheese, because it's really tiny shredded. I used the smallest little setting there. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna have this for lunch. I was gonna throw some like meat on it to give me some protein. I still might. I might change my mind and throw some like shredded chicken or something on it. But I think I'm gonna heat it up first, because then I don't know. Heat it up first, see if I like it. If I want to add some chicken on it, then I will. But I think I might say, actually, you know what? I think I might save my protein for supper. I'm not sure what we're having for supper. I might just do burgers tonight, which means I should be okay for protein. I'll have burgers and maybe like a cup of bone broth or something, and that should be good for my protein. But anyways, I just thought I would show this because before I put it in the microwave, so that it doesn't look like an ooey gooey mess. But yeah, this is a quick and easy way to do like nachos for yourself if you're looking for a keto nacho. It's super good. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to eat it, and I will see you when we eat dinner. Hey guys, so here's dinner. I made cauliflower mac and cheese, and I put ham parts in for protein because I didn't really want too much. I'm eating about half of it, but I don't even know if I'm going to be able to eat all of that, so we will see what I get through. But yeah, it looks delicious. My friend shared a recipe for something similar, but it wasn't keto, so I sort of keto-fied it. So I'm going to try it, and if it's really good, I will post a recipe for you guys, or I'll make it again and film the recipe like I have done in the past. So yeah, so this looks really delicious. I'm excited to try this, and then I'll have leftovers. Woo! Exciting. So anyways, I'm gonna go and eat. This will be my last entry for today. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe below and hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time I upload. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.